first. You know I'm really big on safety when it comes to her. All right, let's see how you feel about it, baby. All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm gonna give y'all a quick breakdown on how to put this together. The instructions are kind of horrible. I didn't like it. All right, so what do? The first thing you do is you connect it, right? So where you might have a little bit of trouble is right here, this part right here. All right, when you put it all together, when you put this wire together, you put it on the end for the bottom, right? So now when you're snapping it in, you're gonna be like, wait a minute, there's more buttons and not enough snaps. So what you do is, you snap these right here, right? You snap these in, secure, right? Boom. You snap this one in, boom, and then you snap this one in. Boom. Now you're going to have the extra one. The extra one goes underneath. It goes 3 under there. So you might have a little problem with that. But once you figure that out, then everything else is good. As you can see. Voila. Alright. So we put this together. We put the foundation together. Now we have to put it together and then put Sailor in here and see if she likes it. Alright, so I'll be right back. But yeah, that was an issue that I would think people would have, is like you think you did everything right, so the button, this overlaps this button, and you have to make sure you put the wire on the bottom, not the top. Put the wire on the bottom so it can connect, okay? Alright, let's go. Alright, so the next thing you do is you put these wires, these last wires, you insert them inside of here, and they should snap right in. Click. Make sure they're secure. Alright. So it's the next step after that is connecting these, and then we should be done. Alright. And then next we're gonna have baby Sailor come in here and let me know if she likes it or not. Alright. So we put this side on. Alright. That's locked in. Sorry, I knocked the camera. Locked in, voila. Look at that. It's official. We locked in, you know what I'm saying? Look at that, boom. So now, you have to add these little functions to it to make it really official. You gotta put these on it, right? Put these little things to stimulate their mind, keep their hands and eyes coordination going still. Yeah, am I doing the right way? Yep. So hopefully, you know, when she sees this, you know, I was thinking I'm probably gonna put like bank statements or dollar signs or the words entrepreneur. Those type of things is probably gonna hang from here soon. Alright, and then you click it on there like that. Alright, let's see, baby. Look, look, look. Look what daddy made for you. Oh, let's see, let's see. Let's see, baby. Okay, I got the music already going for you. I'm already serenading you, okay? Make sure you serenade your baby, okay? Alright, so let's see. Safety first. You know I'm really big on safety when it comes to her. Alright, let's see how you feel about it, baby. Alright, so the straps are really easy to do. You put it right through there, right? Boom, that side locked in. You locked in right there. Look, you hear the music? Wow. You like it, baby? What you think? Huh? Boom, she's locked in. How do you feel? You like it, Sailor? Is this for you? Huh? Is this for you or what? You like it? Alright, so let's see what they got a little playlist here for you. So you can switch up, you can turn it so it can rock for her a certain way. You know, then you can switch up the music. Look at that. Look, you got these things in your face, keep you stimulated, your eyes, ears, and coordination. And then you could the wilderness music. Wow, baby, you like that? And also, there's a soothing vibration. You know, it vibrates. So yeah, and then you can turn it up and turn it down. So far, so good. My baby loves it. You love it? All right. So when Daddy's working, when Mommy's working, you can hang out, okay? And when Big Bro's playing his Fortnite, you can watch him. All right. So this is it. It was pretty cool, easy put together. There's only one part that I feel like they need work on the instructions, but other than that, it was easy. You can watch my YouTube video if you buy this and you can put it together. All right, it's time to go. Peace. We out. Buckle this. You see this, baby? It's gonna be your seat. All right, it's gonna be your seat because, yeah, I'm tired. Well, I'm not tired. I just don't want you to. I want you to be spoiled, baby. And I don't want to be blamed, because you know what? Daddies always get blamed for everything. Yeah, we don't even gotta be there. We get blamed. Like, yo, the light is on. We could be somewhere else, not even home, and we'll get blamed for the light being on because we daddy. All right, so look, boom. This is the bass. Sailor, Sailor, I love you. Sailor, Sailor, I love you. I love you, Sailor. Sailor, Sailor, I love you. You okay? You okay, girl? Let's see. We got the hiccups. Okay. You okay? I can't stand when she has the hiccups. But they say that means she's growing. It could be gas, but they say when she has the hiccups like that, she's growing. You okay? Okay. All right. So, but boom, today, you know, with me, I hold her a lot, and if I continue holding her, I'm going to spoil her, and then she's not going to be able to go anywhere. Nobody's going to be able to take her anywhere because she's always going to want her daddy, even though she's daddy's little girl forever. You know, I can't hold her all the time. Like last night, she has her own room and her crib, but she also has a bassinet in me and my wife's room. And last night she was in the bassinet, and I just looked at her and I just wanted her to lay in the bed with us. So she laid in the bed with us, and my wife kind of yelled at me for having her in the bed with us, even though she had that little boppy thing. But it was just the fact that we don't want her to get used to sleeping in the bed with us. Hiccups, baby. So today, so much been going on these last couple of months preparing for her. So like a lot of stuff I wasn't able to put together. But today, this is what we gonna put up, shouty. Look what we gonna do, shouty. Yes, we're gonna put this up today. So I don't have to hold her, and when her mother's doing certain things, you know, she could watch, you know. So she's gonna watch me, and you guys are gonna watch us put this together, and then I'll let you know how it is. All right, we'll be right back. Say peace. Say peace, shouting. Okay, she hiccuped. We'll be right back. Let's go. This right here, I believe. Yeah. What's wrong? Talk to me. Come and talk to me. I really want to know what's wrong. I really want to know why you are crying. You like my vocals, baby? I just want to know why you crying, baby. All right.